Number two story in the Journal today, the Journal's forecast pointing to 3% growth this year. That's up from 2.4% last year. Economists are also saying that the unemployment rate will fall to 3.6% by June. That would be the lowest level in nearly 50 years.
Right.
Pretty incredible stuff here, John. But I was reading, I mean, while the economists are boosting their near-term projections, they're also thinking that things slow down quite a bit in the next couple of years. Tell us about that.
Right. So, economists are reacting to what they're seeing on the ground. And I mean, it's clear the economy had a great second quarter, growth of more than 4%. They're responding to that. It does look like the tax cuts have boosted consumer spending, sustained pretty strong business investment. It does look like we are having one of the best years we've had in this expansion and beyond in 2018, and they're responding to that. The big question is whether that can be sustained, and that's where there's a difference of opinion here. So the private economists that we talk to have lowered their forecasts out to 2020 to 1.8% growth. So we go from 3% to 2.4 in 2019 and then 1.8 in 2020. So what they're saying is this burst that we're having right now won't be sustained. What the Trump administration says is that.
So this is really interesting, and maybe this is why cryptos will be dead, because as long as the economy is growing, and I mean, obviously the ETF is one other issue, regulations, but it's going to make crypto a less attractive asset class. But, the U.S. economy has really just taken on massive debt, levels of debt, which long-term is going to devalue their currency and slow down the economy. And that's where I could see crypto growing. So crypto could be a very unattractive asset class for the rest of 2018, but I'm not really worried about it because, as you can see, the projections for 2019 and 20, the economy will slow down, the dollar could become weaker, and all of this could be the catalyst for crypto and just bad government policy where, we're basically just creating growth by racking up large amounts of debt that, if they're not paid off, the only way it's going to be paid off is through inflation, which is devaluing the currency. So let me know your thoughts on this. I do still feel like crypto is a good long-term hold, but short-term, it's definitely not October of November of last year where you're going to be, making close to double your money every month or two. You're going to just have to be patient, but let me know your thoughts on this, and I will talk to you soon.